Hello everyone, welcome to Course Wars Google Ads series. So today we will be understanding how we can avail the promo code in Google Ads for up to 1,20,000 rupees, and that is straight into your account. So I get a lot of DMs, a lot of queries regarding the same that we avail the promo code but it doesn't reflect into your account. So today we will quickly understand how we can claim that offer, and that's for sure into your account, okay? So without wasting time, let's quickly start. So you have to move to the Google and you have to search for a URL ads.google.com. That's official ID for Google Ads. So when you log in into this page, so this is how it will look like. So you can see that I have logged in into my account, which ID whatever I wanted. If you want, you can use the older ID. Otherwise, I would suggest you to create a new ID because Google do provide good offers to its new users. So when you log in with that ID, you will be come to this page and you can see different offers right here. You can see that Google is providing me a claim of 1,20,000, and when you scroll down there are different plans available. So I'm getting 20,000 for 20,000, 60,000 for 60,000, and 1,20,000 for 1,20,000. So of course I would like to claim this offer, so I have to click on this offer and I have to click on claim now. When I click on claim now, make sure you log in into a new account. So you have to click on new Google Ads account and create a new account. You have to. So when you log in into the account, now you have to go to the billing section. So we will not create our first campaign. We will probably skip this information. So when you come to this page, you have to click on skip, and then once again, twice or thrice, he will ask you regarding the same. And once you do that, it will say click on skip once again and then leave campaign creation. Once you do that, it will take you to the billing section. So whatever the country you have, time zone, currency, you select that and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will ask you that do you need a person to guide you or not? If not, and when you scroll down on the top, you can see that the offer is applied into my account. So the country is India, time zone is Indian time, and spend 120 spend 1,20,000 rupees and get the offer of 1,20,000, and that till December 25. So once I submit the information and I move on, I will be able to avail this offer right into my account because I can see the offer has been already applied. So this is how you can avail the information or the coupon code right into your account. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. I would like to tell you that please subscribe this channel because going forward I will be uploading a lot of quick videos and pros and tips information regarding the Google Ads account. So do subscribe this channel. Thank you.